So boys, here you can see we have written CW Saturday 20th March 2021. We have skipped one finger space topic, and our topic is the chapter name, number and arithmetic operations. We are doing page number 6. The first exercise is exercise 1A, and question number 1 is fill in the blanks in digit. This is a digit 3, 3, 6 and 2, 8 digit number. It means it is 100 million. So just read it. 49, sorry, it is 10 million. 49,852,610. The place value of the range digit is dash. So boys, here you have to tell the place value of 8. Okay. Now start reading the place value. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. It is 100,000. Let's write it. Here you can see boys, we have written HTH. It means 100,000 or 8. After 8 are 5 zeros. Okay, because after 8 are 5 digits. Next you can see boys, they have written 5 million, 5 million plus 200,000 plus 0, 10,000 plus 0,000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 9. And here you can see I have arranged them all over here. Now what we are going to do, we will add them. So how we will add them? Let's see. There is zeros above 9, so we will write 9. You can see boys, there was zeros above 9, so I have written 9. There was zeros above 5 and zeros above 4. 0, 0, then 2, then space and 5. So it is 5,200,459. We will write it over here. After that, we will read our next blank, that is insert spaces to express this number in international number system. Just before I was giving you concept, I have told you in international number system, they skip the use of commas. Now they say write the number from right hand side. This is your right hand side, okay? Write the number from right hand side. After writing 3 digit, give some space, then write next 3 digit, give them some space, then write next digits, okay? So we will write 312 space 598 space 527. This is 9 digit number. It means it is a digit that has 725,895,213. Here you can see boys, we have written it. Now they are saying write the predecessor of 8,000,001. What we have to do, we have written here, you can see 8,001,001, and for predecessor and successor I have told you, you have to write 1 on the ones column, okay, on the unit place. 1 minus 1 is 0. It will be 0, 0, 0. Now there is nothing under 1, 1, 0, 0 and 8. So it is 8,001,000. Okay, let's write it. Here you can see boys, we have written in the successor, they are asking the successor of 2,316,999. You can see on the rough hand side I have written 2,316,999. Then I will add 1 on the unit place. 9 plus 1 is 10. I will write 0. 1 carry. 9 plus 1 is 10. I will write 0. 1 carry. 9 plus 1 is 10. I will write 0. 1 carry. 6 plus 1 is 7. Now 1, 3 and 2. So it is 2,317,000.